So we are at our next waterfall, which is called Skogafoss. That one's easy to pronounce, although I'm probably saying it wrong anyway. I put on my raincoat this time. My other jacket isn't quite enough of a raincoat for here. So here we go. This is Skogafoss. Skogafoss is one of the biggest waterfalls in Iceland with an 82-foot width and a 200-foot drop. You definitely want to be wearing your rain jacket for this guy because due to the wind, the water sprays everywhere. On most sunny days, you'll also be able to see a rainbow or a double rainbow due to the amount of water and sunlight. To the right of the waterfall, there is actually a trail with 430 steps all the way to the top, kind of just above the waterfall. So if you have the time, do it. We unfortunately couldn't because we were running a tight schedule, but you definitely have the opportunity for a lot of photos. Skogafoss has been in many different movies and TV shows, but most people know this one as Season 8 in Game of Thrones. This is where one of the scenes was filmed with Daenerys and Jon Snow kissing.